I don't really wear it. I don't like it. I don't like putting poop on my face unless it's like lotion or something like that. But
bead. It's a type of bead, but it's
my show, but I'm never there. It's not.
So what started off as a hobby just became a really deep infatuation. It's the same with art, because when you get into art and drawing and painting, you begin to...
I did a soap opera first, and I did nighttime TV. I was on a very successful TV show.
Foot, thinking that you're trying to play a game with her. And then my wife also has
other things that are unhealthy for me.
such as.
Well, the finger smelling.
Cuts the grass without any power.
Oh, it's a lawnmower, but it's it's manual.
It's a mixture of both. I'm a tropical blend of fruity flavors.
Cheers, I'll tell you what. So I don't know
You
what
were crying.
And how would you do that? If you ran out of food, It's just a little joke. I hope it's funny. I don't know if it is.
Pretty
Stop it!
What was that?
Perception. I got into composing and arranging and music.
You ready?
I have no idea.
It's my show.
Killing it for you, boy. Killing it.